Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the DJI Air 3, the newest drone from DJI, a pioneer in the drone industry. Whether you're an aerial photography enthusiast or just curious about cutting-edge gadgets, this drone promises to elevate your flying experience to new heights. So, without further ado, let's dive into all the incredible features of the DJI Air 3. The Air 3 is a great drone for anyone who wants to take amazing aerial photos and videos. It's easy to fly, even for beginners, and it comes with a ton of features that will help you get the perfect shot. One of the best things about the Air 3 is its camera. It has a 48-megapixel sensor that can take stunning photos and videos, even in low light. It also has a 3-axis gimbal that keeps your footage smooth and stable. The Air 3 also has a lot of intelligent flight modes that make it easy to get the perfect shot. For example, there's a mode that lets you track a moving object, so you can get great footage of your kids playing soccer or your dog running around. Another great feature is the Air 3's obstacle avoidance system. This system uses sensors to detect objects in front of the drone and avoid them, so you don't have to worry about crashing it into things. The Air 3 also has a new feature called Focus Track, which allows you to track a subject automatically. This is great for getting smooth, cinematic footage of people or objects in motion. The Air 3 also has a new quick shot mode called Master Shots, which automatically creates a short video of your flight using a variety of different shots. This is great for creating professional-looking videos without any editing experience. Overall, the DJI Air 3 is a great drone for anyone who wants to take amazing aerial photos and videos. It's easy to fly, even for beginners, and it comes with a ton of features that will help you get the perfect shot. If you're looking for a drone, the DJI Air 3 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Next Coolest Gadgets. Subscribe to Next Coolest Gadgets. Thank you for being a part of our Next Coolest Gadgets community. Like, comment, and share this video with fellow gadget enthusiasts who need a reliable and versatile companion for their daily adventures.